So here we have the HonHey handheld fan. This is a portable fan with a working time of 8 to 25 hours. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, 4-speed personal cooling settings. It could be used as a desk fan, and it could also be a mini handheld fan that you could carry around in your bag and take it out whenever you need nice, cool, flowing air. So it's powered by a 5000 mAh premium rechargeable battery. You could charge it via a supplied USB cable. It can be easily recharged from power banks, computers, laptops, and wall chargers. 5.5 hours to get it fully charged, and you're ready to go for 8 to 25 hours. You have 4 wind speeds according to different needs. The first speed simulates natural wind. This speed is not consistent, but alternates between fast and slow, so it makes it suitable for sleeping. Second slow speed is a comfortable air movement. It's good to dry lashes or skin cream, when you do your makeup, other light jobs that you need low wind power. The third speed is medium, and the fourth is fast, and that will cool you down quickly. So the fan is built with a durable brushless motor, which is able to provide a working life of 15,000 hours. Rotation speed is clocked at 2300 to 4000 rounds per minute, and the strongest setting can blow up to 10.5 feet away. This is great for a desk fan or carry-on or anything you would need a fan for that you could think of. This will fit the bill. Its dimensions is 4.3 inches, 2.8 inches, and 8.8 inches, and it comes in 9.9 ounces. You get one fan, one Type-C to A cable, one Type-C to C cable, and a user manual, and it's provided with a 1-year warranty for service. So make your summer cool by picking up the HonHey fan.